It's so much easier to hit your protein goal whenever you drink at least one protein shake a day. I feel like whey protein makes me bloat up a lot, and there's a lot of protein shakes out there that just have a lot of like gut disrupting ingredients and hormone disrupting ingredients too. Let me put you guys on the shake that I've been making. I add some other things to make it like extra good for your gut health. I recently came across this brand KOS. This is pea protein, quinoa protein, flaxseed, and chia seed protein. I used to hate the taste of pea protein like so much. That's why I used to have whey. This one actually tastes really good. This has 20 grams of protein. Let me show you how I make it. I make my protein shakes with this almond milk because it just has 3 ingredients. It doesn't have any like extra gums. You can also make your own almond or oat milk, or you could use water. The reason that I like this brand a lot is because they don't use erythritol. Like, it's coming out that it's actually not as good sugar alternatives / sugar alcohols. So I just did 2 scoops of that. Next up, I use this from the same brand. It's an Inulin powder, and Inulin powder is basically prebiotic fiber that acts as miracle grow for the probiotics or the good bacteria in your gut. So it's going to be really good for digestion, really good for your colon, and it feeds the good bacteria. It's like literally something for them to like munch on and grow and multiply. So I just add 1 scoop of that. And then lastly, from the same brand KOS, basically a mushroom coffee blend, and it's supposed to be coffee, but I put it in my protein shakes for focus and energy. So whenever I'm drinking this before the gym, it helps me focus and gives me energy. Shake it all up. It's so good. And it's so easy. You just drink this, and it's 20 grams of protein, and you can have this multiple times a day.